ये बोल रहे हैं
Experiment number 2, Pcom bracket to study amplitude modulation and demodulation. First, we need to connect this power supply. It is required for both the kits.
First connect
this. Connect only the one which is required to be connected. That is directly connected with this part of the circuit. Then, this is the input signal. This is the carrier signal. We have two modulator blocks which is present. We can use any one of them. So first, we give the output of the sine wave to this one end of the modulator. But before doing this, we need to adjust the amplitude and the frequency of this. Now, as per the given requirement, it is 1 volt peak to peak and frequency is 3 kHz. We adjust this in the CRO. I hope you know how to adjust. Then, the second part is to adjust the carrier wave as the second input of the modulator.
Carrier का frequency was 350.
Now,
Frequency no होगा.
we need to adjust the frequency and the amplitude of the carrier wave as well, which is 2 volt peak to peak and 3 kHz and 457 kHz.
बोलना adjustment के लिए इधर ना.
Knob कौन सा है?
Now to
Amplitude
adjust
के-
the amplitude, we have a level button here, and to adjust the frequency, we have a frequency knob
For input signal.
for input signal. Similarly for the carrier signal.
Pause करूँ?
Now to measure the output, we need to connect this to the CRO. Now the positive of this will connect it to the output channel, and this is a common ground channel which can be used for all purposes. And similarly, we have another ground channel over here to utilize this purpose.
कारण बैटरी लो. Now we have output provision, which is where we can measure the output of the sine wave. So this we connected to the output of the CRO. Now we can adjust the time per division and also the volt per division, so that we get the perfect sine wave as required. Similarly for the carrier, we have an output over here. We connect it to the positive. Keep the on XY mode.
Position, they have a carrier, they have an output over here. We can connect the positive to this knob. You can see the output on the CRO. Similarly, as case of sine wave. As there are two provisions for modulator, you can connect it here as well over here. But we have connected over here, so output can be taken by this pin. If you get the required output, you can directly go on to the second state, that is connect the output of this modulator to the input of the second kit which is given beside. Now, here we have a product modulator. We have two inputs. One input is the carrier wave, another is the output of the modulator circuit. We require the carrier input so that we can suppress the carrier so that to get the required input.
Demodulated.
और ये बोला ये भी लगाना पड़ेगा. ये बोली ये भी चाहिए.
As this kit requires a power supply for its working, we need to connect this, and the other two sources are available. We connect it to the power supply.
अभी क्या measure करने का होगा?
Now we need to check the demodulated output. So we connect the output to the positive of the CRO. SY mode requires two inputs, so we require both the signal. That is, one is a demodulated output, and other is the carrier, other is the modulating signal.
These are the two channels which we connect in the CR for observing it in XY mode.
That's the control.
That's the control and the experiment ends.